So here are the plans. We're gonna go ahead and smoke this bad boy in the Weber. Then we're going to fire roast our Anaheim peppers. Then I got some peppers that my daughter brought me. I got a few Roman tomatoes, some bell peppers, a head of garlic. I got some onion. And then I have the Wagyu dog, quarter pounder. And then we're also gonna have the Wagyu ground beef. Came in a pack of 3, so maybe I'll make a smash burger soon. And then I got some smoked Gouda with bacon, money, tomato paste, and then can of kidney beans and pinto beans, some Vista money. I'll see you guys outside. Let's start the fire. The reason I put it so close to the piece of wood, because I want the oak to catch fire. I want to get as much smoke as I can get on the chuck roast. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I want that red oak to catch fire. So here goes the chuck roast with the holes facing the meat, right on top of the meat. So what this is going to create, the fire is on this side, air vents are on the bottom. So the smoke is going to climb over the meat and come this way. So I want to get as much smoke I can on the chuck roast. And all you do is just forget about it. You can come back in 3 hours from now. These things are so easy to cook, man. I highly recommend the Weber. I'll bring you back in a few hours. See, you got the smoke coming out. I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Let's see, we've been rocking for 4 hours. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, beautiful color. Nice bark forming there. All right, let's put some foil over it. Wrap it in foil. Pick this bad boy up. Check this side. Beautiful color. Look at that, guys. All right. Nice and tight. Put it back where I got it from. Bring you back about an hour or so. I'm satisfied with that because we're going to go ahead and put that in our pot and we'll finish off cooking. But I'll bring you back once these start fire roasting. All right, guys. Everything's roasted. Look at this. It is so beautiful. And it smells fantastic out here, guys. And then our onion. Let's go inside and prep this. Let's just go ahead and peel off this first layer from the onion. Man, it smells fantastic. Just knock off that back part. Knock off this part. And then we're going to just kind of just give it a rough chop. So when it goes in the blender, it blends up pretty easy. We're going to go ahead and remove the seeds. I'm not going to worry about peeling these. I'm going to go straight into the blender. Just like this. Just a quick clean, guys. Let's go with our bell peppers. Just come in here and pull out the seeds. I'm going to give this a rough chop as well. Straight into the blender. Here's my ingredients, guys. So I have a tablespoon of granulated garlic, tablespoon of granulated onion, tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half a tablespoon of fresh ground pepper, and a half a tablespoon of salt. We're going to go ahead and just put this straight into the blender. We're going to go ahead and add a half a beer. You can choose whatever you like. I like Modelo. Perfect, huh? You don't see that too often. But half a beer. Let me go ahead and blend this up and I'll bring you right back. It's lacking some salt. Probably put about a tablespoon. We'll bring you here. We're going to go ahead and use all these juices. Put it back into the pan. We're going to go ahead and just cube this. This is not fully, it's fully cooked. It's just not tender. But we're going to get it tender. Because I like my chili beans to be nice and chunky with the meat. It's a nice little smoke ring on here. Really nice. We're going to just cut up in cubes. It's going to fall apart anyways. Let's go outside and finish up this dish. Guys, I almost forgot. Main ingredient. Some cumin. Some ground cumin. Let's see. A good nice tablespoon. That should be it. By the look of it, it looks like a 2080. It has quite a bit of grease in there already. Oh man, this smells fabulous. We're not going to add no salt, no pepper, no nothing, because we already added that to the sauce. We're just trying to brown this up. So I have some tomato paste here. Let's add a few tablespoons of this. We're gonna go about half a can. This is a little 16 ouncer. So this is where I'm gonna add my chuck roast, juice and all. This is most definitely going to be a nice hearty chili beans. We already got 2 proteins in there. Fire roasted sauce. Look at that. I ended up adding the whole entire beer. Wow. Outstanding, guys. This smells outstanding. It smells like if you're at a restaurant. That's how good it smells. So I got some canned kidney beans. Throw the whole thing in there. I also have some Sun Vista pinto beans. Try to fit that whole can in there. I don't know. It's up to you guys. If you guys like beans, put the beans. If you guys don't like them, don't put them. I enjoy them. It's your guys' call. Your guys' chili beans. You guys make it what you guys want. Let's go ahead and put this lid on there. Let's close it up. So I got my vent more than, it's about halfway closed. I'll bring you back about, I don't know, half hour or so. We'll check on it then. This has been going for a half hour. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. This is the opportunity to put the bacon wrap Wagyu dogs. Pretty simple. Just wrap the bacon around. I kind of got them over here on this side because it's not that hot. Like right here, this is super hot. So I got them over here towards the corner, towards the side. All right, the chili beans have been reducing. This is pretty much where I want them at. It's nice and thick. It's not too watery. If you notice, I only got 2 Wagyu dogs left. I got attacked a little while ago. Let's go inside. Let's plate this up. All right, guys. Chili has rested. Maybe 15-20 minutes. Still kind of hot. I toasted the buns a little bit. Not much, but I did. Wagyu dog and this amazing, crazy looking chili. Look at those big chunks of chuck roast. Shred it right on top, guys. It's about good. Let's put another one. I just toasted it with butter. That was it. We're gonna do one with mustard and one without mustard. Let's see here. Let's bring in the chili beans. A little bit of cut up onion. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Looks delicious, guys. Mmm. Pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take a big bite from the top. See. Mmm. Wow. That is delicious, guys. The first 2 bites, I wasn't getting no chili beans. Chili beans are freaking money. Freaking delicious. Damn. All kinds of flavors just exploding, man. Pretty good. Mmm. What do I taste? I taste the Gouda cheese. The fire roasted peppers. There's a little bit heat, not much, but you can tell it's there. Wagyu ground beef. Everything comes through so pronounced. It's freaking good, guys. Freaking good. I'm gonna go for another bite. I like the chili beans a lot. The Wagyu dog is good, but the chili beans is where it's at. So me and TPC, also known as JC, Sleeper Barbecue, also known as Lance, 2 good carnales, 2 good brothers. We all did a collab on chili dogs. I have no idea what they're gonna come out with, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good because these guys can cook. No lie, man. I've been watching them for a while. And not only that, make sure you guys go over there, give them some love, subscribe to their channel. You know, we're all in it for the same reason. Trying to grow our channel. Trying to show you guys what we know how to cook. So, you know, give those guys some love and subscribe to their channel. Well, gracias. I'll catch you guys next week. And you guys have a good weekend. Salud. Laters.